Caring for plants reminds me that growth isn't just a goal, but a lifelong habit that requires constant attention. Hi, I'm Vanji, the Finance Director for Ensured. When I'm not focused on the numbers, I find growth in caring for plants. It's a way of life that my father instilled in me, where learning is never an option, it's a necessity. Just as plants must adapt to thrive, learning agility is critical because change in our industry is constant. I treat continuous learning as a non-negotiable part of my commitment to leadership. Always be learning. I believe in combining my past experiences with new organizational insights to drive continuous improvement and efficiency.